The breathtaking capital of Estonia, Tallinn, is possibly one of the most beautiful cities in Northern Europe. The encompassing medieval stone walls, skyscraping church bell towers, and winding cobblestone streets opening into squares and courtyards will certainly cause visitors' jaws to drop in awe. Welcome, and here are the things to do in Tallinn. Go to Viro Gates. Enter Tallinn's marvelous old town through Viro Gate, which was a part of the city's 14th century extensive defense system. Though a portion of the Viro Gate was demolished to allow for horse-drawn traffic, the towers of the gate remain. The area around Viro Gate is now home to market stalls selling woolen mittens, sweet-smelling roasted nuts, and numerous restaurants. Old Town. The Old Town has to be the top draw for visitors to Tallinn, featuring beautiful architecture and locals dressed in medieval clothing. The Old Town somehow escapes feeling overly touristy and kitschy that other cities with costumed workers might experience. Kotowotsa Viewing Platform. For the best view in Tallinn and to take your own stunning photo for Instagram, head to the Kotutsa viewing platform. Located on the Tumpeia Hill, visitors will be treated to unobstructed views of the harbor. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Also located in Tumpeia Hill, the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral is a relatively recent addition to the medieval Old Town. This Russian Orthodox church has distinct black onion domes that can be easily spotted towering above Tallinn. The interior of the church can be visited, although visitors should first check service times and be respectful of private services as this is an active church. St. Olaf's Church. St. Olaf's Church is one of the most important structures in Tallinn and is the city's largest medieval building. This well-preserved church was likely built in the 1200s and is notable due to its high church tower that has been struck by lightning numerous times throughout its history. St. Olaf's Church is not open for visitors during the winter and is free of charge. Visitors can climb the narrow stairs to the top of the church for a beautiful view over Tallinn's Old Town. Town Hall Square. Stunning in every season, but particularly during the annual Christmas market, Town Hall Square has been the heart of Tallinn since the 13th century. Though no longer acting as the city's marketplace, the Town Hall Square sees bustling activity with cafe chairs and tables spilling into the square in the summer. Numerous tour groups and occasional festivals. The surrounding architecture is also stunning, so keep an eye out for dragons on Town Hall. Eating out. Boasting some of the best restaurants in the three Baltic states, eating out is certainly one of the best activities offered in Tallinn. Visitors can indulge in anything from traditional Estonian cuisine to Indian or medieval fare. Promenade along the Tallinn Town Wall. Visitors can climb a portion of Tallinn's wall to explore the tower and enjoy beautiful city views. The wall was formerly 2.4 kilometers long and had 46 towers. While not as magnificent as it once was, it is still impressive, approximately 1.9 kilometers long, with around 20 towers remaining. It really is a privilege to walk these ancient defensive walls. Opening hours for the Tallinn Town Wall vary depending on the season. Tumpeia Castle. Located next to Alexander Nevsky Church, The present Tompeia Castle was built in the late 1700s. This understated castle features a salmon pink exterior, white details, and the national flag and crest. The castle can be visited on weekdays, but visitors must book ahead of time. A large park can be found next to Tompeia Castle, providing visitors with a bit of a green reprieve from city life. Local beer. The Baltics are well known for their ever-expanding craft beer scene, with Estonia leading the pack. Delicious craft beer can be enjoyed throughout the city and during specialty craft beer events. Teleskivi Creative City. Located a bit off the beaten path, Teleskivi Creative City should be visited by those interested in seeing the creative side of Tallinn. Teleskivi is a complex of former warehouses turned into boutiques, restaurants, live music venues, and cafes, and all are beautifully decorated with street art. KGB Museum and Vero Hotel. The Baltic states have faced challenging recent history, with Estonia only regaining its freedom from Soviet occupation in 1991. Located in Vero Hotel, the KGB Museum illustrates the secret headquarters kept by the KGB in numerous hotels throughout the former Soviet Union. The museum displays spy equipment and other objects from the Soviet times. Visitors must book in advance, and the museum can be visited from Tuesday through Sunday. What other places you want to go next? Comment down below, and also don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And by the way, check out our channel for more videos like this. And as always, see you on the next video.